most of us customers, they know us for plug plants, and don't get me wrong, we do a lot of plug plants, but we also carry a fantastic range of mature, ready to plant, hardy plants throughout the season. We have a fantastic range of plants. Some are a little unusual, some of your common garden stuff, some of the run-of-the-mill stuff. It's definitely worth just a pop in, just have a little look. We've got a huge range of alpines, we've got ornamental grasses, fantastic range of herbs, over 20-25 different herbs, lots of shrubs, a lot of perennials, as I've mentioned, lots of unusual, slightly quirky perennials, fantastic in your garden with your variegated foliage. We've got purple leaf plants, green leaf plants, yellow leaf plants, flowering shrubs, evergreen shrubs. We've got the full works. What we haven't got barbecues, and we can't unfortunately sell you a cup of tea, but what we can sell you is very good quality British grown plants. The vast majority of plants in this nursery are propagated on site. They're grown on site, so if they grow here, they'll grow in your garden, and a fantastic value. And we have multi-buy offers on just about everything that we carry in the nursery. So £9 shrubs, £7 shrubs, £5 shrubs. Buy them in multiples of 10, get them massively discounted. £9 shrubs, 10 for 70 quid. £7 shrubs, 10 for 50 quid. £5 shrubs, 10 for 40 quid. You can't go wrong. At the very least, come down, give it a little look, see what you think. So as a nursery, we're open Monday to Saturday, 10 in the morning while 4 in the afternoon. We do close on Sundays. For bank holidays, you need to check us out on Facebook and we'll tell you whether we're open or not. We close on the 31st of October and we reopen on the 1st of March. If you like us on Facebook, we're going to send out details later on in the year about its compost day. We're going to open up one day in February for people to come in and get the huge range of compost. This year we sold out a clover compost. I would say by the middle of April it had all gone. Don't get left out this time. Check us out on Facebook. We'll tell you when it's coming into stock. You can all come in, you can all get your compost for the year.